How to delete everything on your phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete or remove everything on your phone. Now, first things first, in order to delete or remove everything from your phone, you'll have to do the factory data reset. How you can do so, let me guide you through. Simply go ahead and open up your settings. Now, once on settings, you want to scroll all the way down below and you want to head into the option that says about phone section. At the very bottom, you can see about phone there. You want to tap on it, and if you scroll down below, at the very bottom, you can see their software update and you can see their reset option. Simply tap on reset option, and now here you can see before resetting and such here. If you want, you can backup as well here. You can temporarily backup to cloud, or you can do external storage backup as well. But scroll down below, and down there you can see factory data reset option. You want to simply tap on that particular option, and now you can see here all data will be erased from your phone, including your Google account, system and app data, settings, downloaded apps, music, pictures, all other user data, service provider apps and content, the decryption key for files on the SD card and such. So you want to scroll down below to the bottom and you'll find the reset option. Tap on reset, confirm it, and everything will be resetted. So this way you can delete everything on your phone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.